This mix is too good. I could chill to this properly, dude. I could legit chill to this, stream or not stream. I mean, I don't know. I've noticed many people putting music on their streams and shit, so I was like, you know what? It fills the background. It makes it less depressing. Adds a bit of lightness to it. May as well. Who cares? I'm doing some cleanup work right now because I need like specific folders to be open so that I don't, mess up. Because I tend to have a lot of things open here. These can stay on. Whatever. Ooh. Yeah. You read the title? You read the title? This took a long time to think over. Especially for a skin that I've been using since I was like 500k or so. But yeah, I think it's time to take this fucking old thing and put some fresh air into it. Fix it up a bit. But first I have to put hit circle overlay on a new file. Well, yeah, new file. It's better to have it on a new file. I'm not gonna save as a specific layer, but for the sake of clarity. The reason why I've been creating, well, or rather, updating my skin is because of how many things you have to do it. It takes a long time, especially like if I want to get ambitious and like make animations and stuff. Animations by which I mean like say this hit 0, the miss. This miss isn't mine. It was taken from Asterisk. Asterisk is the skin that I based my own on, basically. And I can make this. This is easy to do. Just make 60. You just make something of 60 frames in After Effects and you export it as PNGs. That's pretty much it. But do I put myself through the effort? That's the thing. Well, I mean, I could do it. It's 110 by 220. Yeah, fuck it, I'll do it. Whatever. This is a camera, by the way. It's not some image. This is my hand. This is my phone. I don't know where to put my phone. That's why I was there. Yep. Take your sweet time to. Okay. I sort of forgot. Okay, After Effects, I've been using it for about as long as Photoshop, and it's on 2 screens. I'm using both my screens, so the timeline, the project files, and the effects, as well as the effect controls are actually on, they're omitted. They're on this window that I have on the second screen. Anyway. Doesn't matter. Let's make a new composition. It said 110 by 220, so that's what I'm gonna do. And it has to be 60 FPS and last a second, essentially. If I remember correctly, this is the seconds, I think. Yeah, that's the seconds. Okay. So that's essentially what we need. We need 60 frames. There's a 60 frames. Yeah, you know what? I'll probably start with this first, or anything I want to animate. Cause, oh, that's a Discord server. I was checking something. I'll probably start with the animations, yeah, mainly cause like they take more time to do. But then again, I will need Photoshop for some of this. Yeah, I probably will. Should I? Yeah, fuck it. I'll keep it. I wonder if I can make the animation faster if I make like less frames. Like, do I have to make 60? Can anyone answer that? If anyone's on the stream, can anyone answer that? Because I don't know if I can, like, make 30 FPS, 30 PNGs, 30 frames instead of 60, and make the animation be faster. What was I watching of Vivaldi? Charizard reviews the official strategy guide. Okay, I see. And I was looking for some fucking mod menus and stuff for some GTA game. 4, to be precise. Man, I wish I had a third screen for chat or something. Right, let's get to it. So I'll make a text layer. Should I make it caps or not? I might make it actually, yeah, I'm gonna make it a 0. I'm gonna make it weird. I barely have seen any skins listing the miss as a 0. They usually go for the classic X, not a 0. Where's italics? Where's paragraph? There's paragraph. Wait, that wasn't in paragraph. That was in where's character? I'm missing a menu. That's something. Oh. Oh, it's just too small. Okay. There we go. It doesn't have to be in the middle, but for what I want to do, it kind of has to be in the middle. So I can start it from lower. I can gotta make what the initial asterisk skin did. And that is lower its position, its Y position, like that. And take about 20 frames to make it, to take it back to 126. That was about the middle. Actually, yeah, you should be seeing the keyframes that I'm going through. Here you go. So this is where we start from. This is where we end. And I want this to ease, well, out. So that if I did it correctly, I should be getting... Yeah, I need it the other way around. Ease in. And I have to raise the subtlety of the effect, really. Not the position. The velocity, yeah, the velocity. The velocity! So that this happens. See how it just smoothens in. I keep double clicking it. Moron. I wonder if I can... Yeah, I think I should raise that a bit too. Outgoing. There we go. And now that this is done, I wanna... what should I go for? Well, the appearance of it is temporary. I don't know if I'm gonna necessarily go for this font. Probably not, to be frank. Because my entire skin uses Endor. It uses this font instead. And all my skin stuff uses this font. So I'm probably gonna go for Endor and color of red. Probably gradient, though. That's easy to do. Just right click the thing and go to layer styles and gradient overlay. There you go. Edit gradient. Does have a color operation? Yeah, it does. Okay. Well, on a gradient, that's kind of irrelevant though, because like, unless I make this layer a mask and put something behind it, then it'll mean something. But then again, I don't want it to be too cluttered. Also, red on black makes it kind of impossible to see towards the bottom. So I'm gonna make it a bit less black. I'm gonna go for a gray. probably should make it fade in too. Yeah, 15 frames is too much for this, so I'm gonna make it 5 to 5, so that it does, yeah, so that it fades in like that instead. And towards the end, I'll have what's it called? I'll have some other effect towards the end, some fade out that I've made. Go for the classic one that I tend to go for, but I can't see where it applied. Of course, I'm in the scale of a 1 second. What do I expect? Ah, there we go. Yeah, these are mine. But I've made them for, well, moments that are not, 1 second. Usually quite a bit more than 1 second. So yeah, it fades out like that now. I don't know if you can see it. It fades out like this now. It kind of dissolves a bit instead of just simply fading out. It might last a bit though. That's what concerns me. It lasts a bit. Like as an entire entity, it lasts a bit. So like, that's why I'm kind of concerned about making it 60 frames. So I think it's a bit too large. So I'm gonna try and make it a bit smaller. Like, there we go. That should be better. Okay. Now all I have to do is render this as images. Yes, this is actually a thing. If I go here, press, well, I have to do a bunch of things here. Not this, output module. PNG sequence, see? That's all I need. I just need a PNG sequence, saves it in a folder. I don't know where it saves a folder, probably in my video stuff. Desktop? Do I save it on the desktop? Nah, fuck it, I'll save it on skins. Actually, I could make it very easy for myself and just get the name for the miss here. This is what we care for. We care for 2x, right? And take this, because the name we need is here. So just do this essentially. This, if it's what I'm thinking, this should work. But then again, I think it's just gonna put it in a folder called comp1, so who cares? Sorry if that broke your ears, breaks mine as well. There's our 0. It's as simple as that. Now, does that work? Probably so. I see the name works as well. It actually fucking did it. But I don't use oh shit. I should have made it 2 digits. I see. Well, technically it isn't 2 digits. It's like, yeah, it's 1, but then it becomes, yeah, I'll just make it 2 digits. Fuck it. Wait a second. Duplicate. There we go. Oh. Why does it say comp1? What's wrong? Wanted to say hit 0. It also has to be a what? Hit 0 dash, right? Yeah, dash. Insane. There we go. Like clockwork. I can work with this. I just forgot the 2x though. So I have to delete them again and put the 2x back. Yay. Yay. This. That's what I meant. Okay. Not gonna work with this. I still have to rename the first 10. Namae. There we go. I have to do this the first 10 so that it properly works, because the first 10 use 1 digit instead of 2. Well, technically so. I could just go to Skin INI and tell it, oh, I'm using these. But I don't really exactly know how the Skin INI works. I haven't done extensive edits on the Skin INI. I just don't really work with it, that's all. Rest should be good. Also, I think, are you for real now? It doesn't use 0 indexing. Oh my god. Are you for real, dude? It doesn't use 0 indexing. I have to do it again. Well, does it take a +1? I've legit no idea. This might not work. This might not work. I don't think this will work. Because I needed to start from 1, not 0. Fuck. I needed to start from... Oh god, I'm gonna have to do it myself. Probably gonna have to do it myself, yeah. Unless Osa doesn't care and you can read it. That might be possible. I might be able to just read it. I've backed it up anyway. I don't care about these. Heat 0, 0. Wait. For real? It doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter. That's good. It doesn't matter. That's out of the way. The air smells in here. Should have opened the window again, probably. I closed it so that it's better, so the sound quality is better, but my room is a goddamn hole, dude. It smells so bad. So right now I'm thinking, what else do I want animated? I don't want these animated. I don't care about. Should I? I mean, it's the same thing, really. I focus. I need different dimensions though, because these use 160 by 124. So I need a different composition for these. Not really. I mean, I can just change it here. There we go. That's where my 0 is. I can just make it a 50 and make the same animation. Sorry for the burp. So I go back to the gradient and try and remake. Yeah, fuck it. You know what? Yeah, fuck it. I'll just take the 50 that I've made here instead. Much easier. This should be in project. Oh, it is in After Effects. Can you work? Yes. Nice positioning. It's too big. Bruh, it's too big. And the After Effects is like no way to... It really has no way to lock dimensions. What? This'll work. I know it looks pixelated as hell, but yeah. Resolution is low anyway. So technically, I don't need the gradient stuff. I just need the effects I put earlier. So it was a fade in out. And on top of that, it was the vector whatever thing. Do I really want the same effects, though? I mean, fade in, fade out is what the game has anyway. It doesn't matter. Sure, I'll go for vector, whatever. There we go. Yeah, you know what? I'll just make it fade in, fade out. Don't care. I'll make it good. Yeah, I could have it like that, but the thing is that you have to know that you hit a 50 when you hit the 50. So I can't have it last 30 fucking frames. You have to know you hit the 50, dude. That's the 50. Well, it's how it has to be named. Technically. Well, if I want to make it an animation, it kind of has to be hit 50 dash digits. That basically. And since we're making it doesn't accept it. Moron. Work. Thanks. Yeah, these brackets with hashes, they have to be here instead. For the game to understand it. Understand it. Yeah. As for the 0 or 1 FPS issue, I could probably just do this. Legit, I could probably just do this and fix it. Have it start from frame 1 instead of frame 0. But I don't know. I did see frame 0 earlier, so I don't think the game has a problem with it. I don't think the game cares. Also, it's gonna put these in the wrong place. Or not, okay. Is it hit 50? Yeah, it's hit 50. It's hit 50. Okay. And I have a shit ton of hit 50s. That's great. But it's black. We might have a... I mean, these were black too, so... Please tell me it keys black. Please tell me it keys black, dude. I'm gonna have to test it. Wait a second. I'm gonna have to fucking test it. You're seeing all my files! No!
It's time to kick ass and...
You're probably seeing Osu in like 50 FPS or something. I don't know. Aha! How do we reload a skin? The 300 was always like that, but why is the 50 like that? I'm gonna have to play the map myself. Okay, how does it look? The 0 works. That's good. Why does this unironically feel better to play as? What? Nice. So the 0 works, but not the 50. Which is kind of odd. Yeah, the 50 defaults. It defaults back to what it used to. Oh. Oh no. Okay. That's why. I do wonder what will happen if I just make it 1 digit. I'm probably a retard right now, and if I just set it to 1 digit instead of 2 in After Effects, it would probably not put the 0 there, and once it hit 10, it would just use 2 digits. It's probably intelligent, and I'm the moron. It's happened before, I'm telling you. There we go. This might work now. Then again, I don't know if it shows it in the skin preview. And the thing is that it's hard to test if a 50 works. Well, it still shows as the default 50. I don't know if it works, man. I don't know. Like, I have to hit 50s to know. I have to set the offset to hell and back, dude. The 0 works, but it's not transparent. That's great. The 50 does work. Yeah, I should better set the offset back. There we go. Not edit. Exit. Is my thing still good? Yep, it seems good. Seems good. Okay. Shit. This is concerning. Because now how do I do it? How do I make this transparent? See, there's kind of no way to make it transparent. Like, what? I don't know what key the game uses. That's the thing. For the X's. Oh. Ah. Okay. I know what I have to do. Shit. Guys, we have to do it the shitty way. I really have to take all these right now and fuck me, man. I have to take all of these and make them transparent. You might say, how do you do that? Well, you stick them in Photoshop and you make them transparent, unless there's a background remover. Wait a second. I'd rather use an automated background remover than do this shit, like... I hate how everything has to fucking translate to Japanese. Because my system locale is in Japanese. And I don't mean Windows by that, I mean every website. It's like, it magically knows, oh, you've set your browser to Japanese or your system language to Japanese, so, oh, it has to be. Bro... I'm learning Japanese, but I don't want it everywhere. And I have to select one file. That's okay. Doesn't work. Yeah, we'll do it the shitty way then. Fuck it. The shitty way entails taking all these and putting them in Photoshop like so. If Photoshop wants to accept them. Yeah, there we go. All 60 frames, just waiting till they load, and then remove the background and save them. Welcome to graphics, by the way. A lot of things are motor. And are blindly done. There's our frames. Oh yeah, we'll start with this, alright. So you take the magic eraser and erase the process and then export as PNG. It'll probably send me to some asinine folder completely at the buttfuck of nowhere. Yeah, it could not be found, but like give me the export. Hello? Now it... Oh my god, fuck off. Just accept it once. My right headphone died. Ooh, fancy. One viewer. I'm surprised there's one viewer to this, legit. Oh no, don't close it. And downloads it without complaints. Stop opening the window. I know it's open. Do you want to see the Photoshop document before closing? Can I prevent it from asking me that? No, I don't want to save a PSD of it. I don't care about a PSD. Where's preferences? There we go. Please tell me I can tell it to stop asking me that. Where is it? Oh no. I don't think there's a way to do it. You fucking for real, dude. Fucking morons. And this might be an option, like, you know, later versions of Photoshop that isn't this one. This one's pretty old. It could always tell me if it wants to ask me again or not, but no. That's something we don't do here. We don't ask the user for things. Of course you go back to 3 or whatever the fuck I had picked. I have to pick 50. Ah! So, oh my god. What I wanted to do is I wanted to be like diamond. I wanted to be like a domino. Like, once I save 58 and close it, go to 57. Once I save 57 and close it, go to 56. No, it goes back to the one you picked previously. So if I wanted to do that, I have to go to 58, then pick 57, then pick 58 again. So that it goes to 57. It's when you want to optimize your workflow that you see how shit these programs are. Of course now it goes to 57, of course. But once I close 57, it's gonna go back to the previous option, which was 3. Frame 3. So I have to preemptively pick 56, then go back to 57, then close it and go back to 56. And I'm not doing any fucking work. Wait a second. I'm fucking around here. I just saved all 3 of these with nothing. With no changes. Wait, what? Yeah, I really did save these with no changes. Whoop-de-doo. So I even forgot a... Yeah, I wanted to look like that, don't worry. That's how I wanted to look. I swear I've heard this track before. I swear to God I've heard this track before. Displayed at the start of the stream. See, now I just... see, yeah, it did go back to 3. Go back to 3! Nice. Now it goes back to hit circle overlay because it's the one I had... No. You know what's funny? I could fix this simply by just opening them one by one. But do I really want to open 60 files one by one in Photoshop? I keep forgetting to do what I'm supposed to do. There we go. Stop it. Yeah, I'd advise you to go for a cup of fucking coffee or something. Depending on what your time is over there. Because this is gonna take a while. Sweet, sweet while, too. Yeah, I think I don't have to use all these frames, dude. I could use like half of them. I don't have to make it 60. I can make it any number, I think. I could make it 600 for all the game knows. As long as the game sees like the same root name, it's gonna use all the files of that root name. It doesn't care. So yeah, I think I could just make 3 frames and have the same effect. So what the fuck am I doing right now? Making it 60 FPS. There's no reason. You know what? I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep doing this until I reach the frames that are like static. We're basically already there because they're static right now. And just do this. Close the files. All of them. Until I get about frame 45 or so, yeah, sure. Because you see here, it's still the same frame. Because for most of these frames, I made it the same. Of course, after that, I have to name it properly, because the game doesn't know 11 to 45. It has to be named properly, but yeah, I don't need all these frames. I mean, it's too distracting. It's too distracting to have them. Why does it say 50? Oh, okay. 050. I thought it said hit 50 for a second. I was like, what? What the fuck? This is wrong. I really have to open my door or my window. Otherwise, I think I'm gonna pass out in here. Eventually. Not now, but eventually. Because it's summer, and the air is incredibly thin during summers. And I have to do the same thing with the 50s too. Do I really want to do that? I can't close it because... Okay, found it. And it's done. All I have to do now is go to this and basically find the ones that are not transparent, which are these. Get rid of them. And then take these that for some reason are still black. I've saved them twice now. They're still black. For some fucking reason. Is 55 fine? Yeah, okay. So 56. Get rid of the black area. Magic eraser can only do so much, dude. Bit better. I could probably key the black to white or something and get rid of it through that, but fuck it. And 58 and 59 are basically just black boxes. They have nothing. Still, they're PNG. They should stay transparent. They shouldn't have an issue to stay transparent. There we go. They're still not. Fuck it. These are bullshit. These are... Well, at this point they're the same, so I can delete these too. So all I have to do now is essentially, well, number these appropriately. Number these in order. So 8 is this one. 9 is this one. 10 is this one. 11. There we go. It'll be kind of... Yeah, it'll kind of flash out, I think, but it should still be subtle enough.
It's time to kick ass and
Click circle.
Come on. Wait. Now I'll be able to tell. Like it. It's a subtle effect. I like it. I like it. Okay. As for the 50 now, I don't know about the 50. I don't know what to do about the 50. It works though. But like, to test the 50, you have to hit in such a manner. It's really hard to test it.
it's time to kick
300
ass
just hit. 100 just hit a bit less. Just hit a bit less. 50 though, you're fucked. Yeah, I need 0 to be able to tell. Yeah, see the black border? We don't need that. That's a no-no. Also, it still fades out. It still fades out. Fuck off. I'll just get rid of these. Yeah, I'll just get rid of them. And bring my backup. Well, the old 50 back. Like so. I can edit the 50 though, make it different, but to be honest, the 50 and the 100, the 50s and the 100s were never my issue. I was always fine with them. They look fine to me. Like for the way the skin looks. The things I have my main issues with are like the circles. Yeah, and the buttons and the stuff. So like this one, this is the head circle. You might not be able to see it. It's very yeah, it's barely visible. But what do I make for the head circle? I could make like a subtle... I could put an image behind it. Yeah, I could put an image behind it and make a subtle texture of it or something. Okay, let me show you what I mean. Okay, it's intelligent. That's good. So what I want to do is... Wait a bit. Can I make an animated circle? Wait a second. You don't think I can make an animated circle, right? There's no reason to do so. There's pretty much no reason to do so. Like, making it animated, it's a bit too much. There's no reason. There's no reason to have it be so, well, transparent. Yeah, wait a sec. Righto. You saw my zombie shit for a bit and whatever. Ah, yes. My profile picture. How could I forget? Okay, what I was thinking was making this a crippling mask, and have this on its back. But now I don't remember how to make it like be just on the circle. Unless it has to be the other way around. I might be stupid. Where is it? Ah, yes. It did have to be the other way around. Okay. But now, what do I do with this thing? It's so not there. You can barely see it. Frankly, anything I do to it, you can barely see. This is a... Okay, that's what white does, to be frank. Uh-huh. I have to relegate like the circles area. How about this layer? What is this all deselect, reselect? How about this layer? Like, damn. It doesn't have to be this difficult. Also, I need the circle numbers as well. Wait a minute. I want to change the circle numbers as well, but they're in here. This is them. And they're not 2x, by the way. I should probably make them 2x. Having from different skins, I've noticed that you can do that. Like the white cat one, for instance. If I go to the numbers, if I find the numbers, bro, where are the numbers at? Yeah, say 2x. Yeah, I can make them 2x. Okay. But what's the dimension for 2x? I don't know. 60 by 80? What the fuck's default? Why is it called default on this skin? What's this naming convention? Default. The circle numbers. These are the circle numbers, yeah. 98 by 108. 108. guess it's called a default because it says default on there. Yeah, even here it says whatever, dude. It's the same. So yeah, the game would default to using these, basically, for the circles, because this is what I provided. But I don't have to do that anymore. I really don't. These are low quality anyway. They look like shit. I don't like them, to be frank. Anyway, one thing at a time. Let's go back to our hit circle. I wanted to have my eye and stuff, but I want my eye to be able to be visible. Be visible? Yes. And that's what concerns me. I don't know how to make it visible. Well, bro, how the fuck do I select it? Might say, well, select the circle. No, I want to select the layer. It's already a circle. Fucking for real, dude. What the fuck? What a riveting stream. We're trying to select the circle. Like it. Unless I can make it more opaque the way it is. Which I can't. It really is this fucking transparent. Maybe by, classic method. No, it's not. Merge the layers. Now we can work on it. Yeah, don't fucking test me, bitch. Righto, now to see what I can do with it. Well, make the crippling mask for one. Oh, Jesus. It blends too much. No, I don't want that. I don't want color on it. It's too much of a texture, dude. Oh, luminosity can work. Luminosity can work. But then again, I don't want it to be... You can see it too much. That's my problem. It's sort of what I want to go for, yes, but you can see it too much. I need to blur it. I need a... Oh. Smart blur. Yes. What? It... What? What? Radial! Does radial work? Please tell me it works. I don't know. Yeah, it looks too stupid. It looks too stupid. Okay, drop, before that, I have a different idea. Inner shadow, but that's too much. Why is it so sensitive? Look at this. Yeah, you wish. It was dissolve. I think linear burn will work with it. And then on top of that, I want a gradient, but the transparent one. It's centered? It's centered. No, radial. There we go. I think this will do, but I still want to blur it. But I'll go with Gaussian blur now. Not on the circle, on the mask. Thank you. That's a bit more like it, yeah. It's a bit better. Does it have vector blur? No, it has box blur and stuff. Don't care about those. I mean, I've kind of exhausted what I want to do with that menu. I still want... This looks kind of kish, kind of cheap to me still. I think this thing is a bit too detailed to be put in a, you know, to be put in a circle. That's how it feels. It feels a bit too detailed to be put in a circle. I'll go with it. I want to see how it looks, but I still think that it looks a bit, I don't know. It's the same color too. Like, I'd like to recolor it at least. Pin light could work. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna leave it as is. I'm not gonna save it yet. I just first I'll see how it looks in the game.
It's time to kick ass and click circle. Click this.
I trust it's gonna load. Oh yeah, it looks bad. It looks bad. Also, I've made it too opaque and you can't see through. So you don't know if you see a burst or you see a double. It's really hard to see it. So I have to make this less transparent now. But yeah, that's how I want it, and I want it less transparent. Overall. I still wonder if I can make it some sort of animation. I probably can. Like if I make numbers for it or something. The game probably is programmed to make it at opacity, like total opacity. I think this much should be good. You can still see the eye from what I see, but it's more subtle. Who's fucking messaging me, dude? I've been seeing Discord like, oh, 2, oh, 1. It's probably no one and just some dumb notification from some OC server. Yeah, one is an OC server. Othu. Let's go to it.
Click circle.
Click the circles.
You wish. We're only playing Oyasumi today. Improvement, but I'm not yet. The blue is a bit too bold. Not a fan of it. the blue glow at the center of the circle is too bold. Because of the color overlay, yeah. Because of the overlay set on the collar here. Set it to pin light. Yeah, it doesn't work that well. For this blue, at least. This is a bit better. This looks to be a bit better. Hard mix makes it weird looking. It's too much. I could make a difference, to be honest. Difference, I think, if I remember correctly, difference makes it a negative. Kinda. I know I can just reload the skin, but I don't know the way to do that. I don't know the keyboard shortcut.
It's time to kick ass and click circle. Click.
He just loads maps at random, man. You can see it so much. It doesn't look that good. You can see it too much. Yeah, it's not the problem. Linear light will work best then, because it goes for one color. But I still have to somehow not make it less colorful than this. Make it like this instead. And go to my mask here and make it even more blurry than this. This amount, yeah, this amount. So you can like barely see it. Probably the reason why it doesn't work that well is because of the blur. Just saying. What is that? Oh, just an update, okay. Okay.
It's time to kick ass and click circles.
Don't care, as long as I can see the circles. Okay, I care now. Okay, give me something I can read, thank you. This, I can read it. You can barely see it. Now this, this might sound weird. This is quite a bit better. Because you can see the texture, but barely. And it's the main color. Yeah, I'm a fan of this. Okay. Nice. Okay, whatever. I saw the skin. That's good. Now, another thing I could do is decolor it completely, make it black and white, and use the color coding from Skin INI instead to decide the colors, but fuck it. I don't care about that much. Though I could change the coloring of the circles. So I need to make this say Gami MV6 here. Do I really use 5 colors? I don't need 5 colors. 2 are enough. 2 or 3 are enough. There we go. And I don't like the choices for them anyway. So I want one to be 255 on all so that it's white. I can't find backspace, that's great. Then I want, well, I can use Photoshop for this actually. Does offer color codes, so. I could probably use this, yeah, sure. So that's in hexadecimal. Shit. Well, there's the values anyway. And yes, I can confirm that those are the values. 151, 193, 255. These are useless now. Let me get rid of these. And I can make the third one a sort of reddish color. So 255 on red. And 151 on the other two. There we go. It will do it. It does the color as an overlay. If that makes sense. It applies the color as an overlay over the circle. That's why most skins that use the skin INI to apply combo colors make black and white circles instead. Because they tell Osu, I want skin INI to govern the color of the circle.
It's time to kick ass and click circles.
Ah yeah, let's play a fucking stream map. Why not? I just want to see if the colors work really. Well, I think they do. Yeah, they do. They do. Though in our case, I think I'm just gonna make it one color, and that's white. Blue! Dude! Yes, white and blue. White and blue. White and blue. White and blue. Looks fucking great, dude. Okay, which one's the blue? This one's the blue. Okay, piss off, the red one doesn't match. The blue one, though. Mwah! Blue one looks incredible. Like the way they approach circle. Ah, yes, it looks good. I love it. Sorry. Sorry. I mean, it looks good, okay? It looks good. Sorry. Input overlay text. Don't care. Menu glow. Menu glow? What's menu glow? Spinner back. Okay, I know what that is. Damn. Okay, I know what these are. So, that's the hit circle done. I'm satisfied with it. I'm satisfied with it. This asterisk thing, I know from the get-go what I'm gonna do with, to be frank. I'm gonna get rid of it and I'm gonna put mine. Or not, because it's... Okay. Okay, man. Whatever you say. Where the fuck's my banner? Where my banner at? What? Where did I put my... What? Where's my banner? Are you for real? Where's my banner, dude? Oh no, I don't fucking have to get it off of YouTube, I swear. I have to get it off of fucking YouTube. I don't know where it went. It was in the pictures folder. I don't want to change it. I want to download it. Bro, I used to be able to download your banner. Yeah, if I go to my channel, I think I can do that. That's where oh wait, that's where I did. That's where it went. You fucking kidding me? What is this? What is this? What is this? The banner. Where the banner at? Branding, banner image. Oh, but for some reason it just says change. Oh, no man. You're gonna have to change it. We ain't giving you your own banner back. If you lost it, that's your fault. So you mean to tell me I have to go to Google Photos to get the fucking banner? I don't want to go to Google Photos, okay? It's personal shit on there. Sure, I'll use this fucking window. Wait a second. That's fucking great, man. Yeah, if I go to Google Photos and go to my account, I can get it. What? It was here? It just ate it. Can I get it off the fucking Oster website? I don't know. Google, give me my fucking banner. This is banner rage right here, dude. Just wanted to fucking fuck off. I ain't. It's not time right now to give you a verification code. Fuck off. 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 Never said my accent was good. How the fuck do I get my banner? Well, Google accounts is a way to do it. But have you gone to Google accounts? Have you gone to Google accounts before? It's hell on earth. It's legit death. Navigating that mess is no, man, I don't have the patience for that. Okay, I just don't. I really have to go to Google accounts to find the banner. Oh, I don't understand. It's one thing to go to Google accounts. That's hard to navigate in English. I can't use Chrome, by the way, because Chrome's here. Well, yeah, I could actually. Why not? There we go. Pro account is such a stupid place to navigate. Why is it in Japanese too? It auto-set! Oh, forget it. It's in Greek. No, when in my Game Gami account, it's in Greek. Thing can't make up its mind for a language. And it's not here. There's no way to get the banner from here. We're gonna have to... we're gonna have to fuck about with the services until I get my banner back. Cause YouTube won't give my banner back. It used to that legit used to be a what's called an option. I'm not kidding. There used to be an option for you to be able to download your banner. That's what I've been trying to find for 5 minutes now or so. Are they really suggesting this? Well, I don't see open image new tab. That's window, that's tab, if you're wondering. 新しいタブで開く、新しい window で開く. That has nothing to do with it. Hold on, your own YouTube banner? You know, click on it and go banner. Really suggesting go to inspect element. Are you fucking for real? Yeah, go to sources. S. It's probably somewhere in sources. Wait a second. I think it's easier to go from elements here in this case. Don't want this stupid link. I want the image. Can I have the image? The image. The image! No. Wait. No? What? Help. What are these names they give? They're really suggesting to do that. I can't. It's dumb. And that doesn't exist, because this thing goes in my YouTube studio. So this video is bullshit. I'm watching a guide on it. This is bullshit. It's fucking bullshit. Where's fucking search? Where's search? What is it doing, dude? It found banner image in a fucking JavaScript file. What is it looking for? What does this have to do with it? This is style! What are you looking for? What are you looking for? This is the link. I'm aware of that. That is the link. I don't want the link. I want the image. Layout bullcrap. Where's the live stream? Ah, okay. Let's go back to pictures again. I swear I had that fucking image like a short while ago. Why does this have to be in detail mode? Yeah, everything is gonna piss me off now. Okay. This is my overlay. These have nothing to do with anything. I know what these are. Oh, there's the banner. But this is a cut version of the banner. This is not the entire thing. For fucking real, dude. Can I get it off my Twitch? Which, thank fuck, it isn't in Japanese here. Sure. This'll do. How do I... Where's this? Where's save? Oh, there we go. What is the name of it? Menu background. Yes. I don't think it'll go to OSU properly though. I don't think it'll yeah, you're not gonna be able to see it right now because I have event backgrounds on, and I'm not gonna try and close them. Whatever. You can go. No, for menu back. First button of the day. Which probably means first animation of the day, because everyone animates these buttons now. Though I forgot menu back overlay. I just put menu back in here. Yeah, these back buttons usually have an overlay of sorts. I'm gonna have an overlay too. Oh god. Damn. Put overlay key. Do I do anything with it? I'll just get this in here. There we go. How do I go about this back button? I don't want to animate it, man. I don't want to animate it. I'm not feeling an animation. That's the thing. I don't feel like it needs an animation. Frankly, I might say that it looks fine, but you know, I want to make changes to all this. I do have an idea for an animation, though. But I have to find the overlays first. These overs. Why does the back button not have one, though? Should. Yeah, it always had one. It always had one. This is odd. 0. Well, it doesn't tell that I can't animate it. Which, well, now what? Whatever. Project! Things don't click. Things don't press. Things work half the time. I need to set the dimensions right. 448 by 180, okay. I think I'm gonna have to make a new button here. I put this in for no reason. I have to make a new button, like a new ass button. Do we go for Endor? Do I feel Ender? Not sure. Averia is a good font, generally. Yeah, I could go for subtle Averia. It's the wrong thing to white. Fucking moron. Okay, I do need shadow, but I don't know if I'm gonna go for this gradient. It's just a template I put. I do like the shadow though. I'm a fan of that. Oh, god damn it. I wish she could... I wish After Effects knew how to rescale preserving dimensions. In Photoshop you do that with control. So I press transform here and I press shift, sorry. Shift, see? No matter where I put the mouse, it preserves the dimensions of it. After Effects doesn't do that. I've tried pressing shift, it doesn't. See, it does nothing, actually. Pressing shift doesn't do anything. Let's see what I'll do with it. How do I duplicate in After Effects? D, okay. Okay, we're heading to a button here. Slowly but steadily. I think I'll go for the same motif with this. By that I mean I'm gonna use my profile picture. The eye. Yeah, the eye. No. Also has to be behind everything else. Classic color dodge seems to sort of produce what I was thinking. Okay, but in front of this solid. Make it loop. Yeah, I could make it loop. Okay. That's easy to do. It's easy to replicate. Work! What the fuck, dude? Fade That's number 1. So it's 5, 10, and 15. So it'll take 5 frames each. Yeah, like that. Okay. Yep. Okay, it loops. That's good. I know it seems like it's not. It does. It's just that After Effects it's a bit dumb. I could make back have a similar kind of repeating fade in fade out effect. Makes it look nice because of the color operation, color dodge on the thing here. This, on the other hand, I thought of putting something different on, some static effect. Yeah, could put some noise or something. Oh, yeah, could put some noise. You'll see what I mean. Can you see the noise here? This is the noise. I can make this amount random. If I open the effect here and go to Effect and Noise Alpha, go to Amount and press right click, I can press, or I can't. Where's the option? Probably in animation. Add expression. There we go. Semicolon, random, and I can set array values in it. Talking about the percentage. In our case, I think 12.0 to 50.0 is good. Oh, it worked! Now you see, I'm actually surprised that it worked because I didn't expect it to work. Now this will have to go for quite a long while, so 1080 degrees, puts a bunch of revolutions on it. So you can see the animation. We're not done yet. What I want to do is take this and duplicate it on the top, but have this be a different color operation. Probably an overlay. I'm gonna make it an overlay. And I'm gonna make it less opaque. 33%, whatever. I'm gonna use wiggling effects. You might say, what the hell are wiggling effects? This is a wiggling effect. I don't know if you're able to see it, but it moves. It moves. Right? It sort of pulsates now. I can make this effect more bold if I raise the amount, the wiggling amount, or well, the wiggling speed too, but mainly the wiggle amount. Now speed's fine. I'm gonna raise the amount to 6 as well. I set it to 4 initially. We're gonna go with 6. Another thing I can do on top of that is put a blur on. Might go with vector blur. Why not? See what it does here. You can see the back. The thing with vector blur though is that it's a pretty intense effect. That's why it kind of pixelates. It has to, so that it previews the thing. So I'm not sure I'm gonna go with vector blur because it's not really meant for this sort of thing. I might go with fast blur, which is this. I don't know if you can see it. You probably cannot because of how there it is, like back there. I might be able to see if I raise the brightness. Not really too. It's just not really that visible of a thing. There we go, that's better. See, that's what fast blur does. Not really for our case though. It doesn't match that well. I could show you what I'm doing with my effects if I could find them here. Oh, there we go. So I'm gonna blur sharpen. Basically, I'm choosing between all these blur effects here. Box, well, it's what it says. It's a box blur. It does this. It's a different type of blur. That's why I usually go for vector, because it's an interesting type of blur that you don't really see. Radial is, it pulls it out like that. So it's pretty, nah, anyway. Cross blur might work for our case, on the x-axis, because that's what it does. It only blurs the x-axis, and it blends it with the y-axis. So in our case, it might just be what we want here. It's too bold over this one. Wait, it has to render it first. Okay, if I make this really, really bold. I could press Alt Shift and equals to do it. Oh, 0 to 255, I don't care. Whatever. This should work. Oh yeah, it makes it, yeah. It, yeah, okay. I like it. I like it. Can I find a color operation that makes it a bit more there, though? Okay, not hard light. Hard light makes it stupid. Vivid makes it too much. It makes it too there. Okay, I want the colors to have some sort of composition. Difference won't work for this. Ooh, I like hue though. Hue. Yeah, hue can work. Hue can work for this. Funny. No, not 6. Fuck. Jesus Christ, no. No, 1 is enough. 1 is enough for this. Not speed. Speed is on 6. Amount is on 1. Yeah, I want both of them to sort of move. Yep, there we go. That works. Another thing I want to do though is this black solid is the stroke I meant to call it. It's like the border basically that I used to have, but you can barely see it over all this. Yeah, it has to be an add operation, otherwise you can't see the stroke at all. There we go. Now it's over everything else. As for the buttons, these arrows, do I do anything with them? I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. It is kind of hard to blend just white. Our point here is to have it blend on fade out. Fade ins and fade outs. Well, it's also because of where they are. Oh, Jesus. Whatever. Set it back to normal. I do want some sort of blending, though, to go with them. They don't look that right. Ah, ha, ha, yeah. Now that's nice. No, that's nice. I like that. I like that. That's nice. That's characteristic. There we go. Make the stroke a bit more there. And then, on top of it, place an inner shadow. There we go. Found it. For stroke, I've gone for linear burn, so I have to put the same color operation on the shadow. And make it red as well. And... so I did that so that it smoothens out from the stroke. 0 distance. See, now it kind of smoothens out from the stroke into the main thing. There we go. There's our back button. I want the skin to be kind of dark themed anyway, so I don't... It's fine for me. It's fine for me. So now I have to see how to call it. From what I saw on other skins, like the White Cat skin, you just call it back button, menu back numbers, basically. PNG sequence, yeah. Oh yes, I did. Oh yes, I did do that. Let's see if it did what I thought it did. Yeah, it did do it. Look at that. It actually did do it. Okay. It's great. So there's our menu back. Let's see if it works. It's gonna look so weird compared to everything else, man.
It's time to kick ass and click circles.
There's no overlay on it. I'm gonna have to work on the overlay. But it does work. There it is. Looks nice. I don't know, man. I like it. I like it. It's edgy in a way. But yeah, I'm gonna have to probably work on an overlay. That's actually pretty easy to do. Yeah, it might sound weird. It's pretty easy to do. Wait. On one hand, I could make it faster. Like on mouse over, make it overlay. I could make it faster. Just faster. Like raise the intensity of it or something. On the other hand, though, I could just do this. Make a solid. Okay, preferably not black. Make it white. Or red, rather. Let's go for classic red. I don't know. Jesus Christ, no. That's too much. No. Overlay. There we go. That works. Just have this overlay on top. That's it. Yeah, I'm gonna have to re-put it. Hello? Let me add the render queue. Thank you. Wrong menu. PNG, there we go. Yeah, same number as before. Yeah. It understands me. For once. But this time I need menu back over. That's what the button's called. I'll show you the other ones. Selection mode over, you see? So I have to name it menu dash back dash over. Like that. And this should do what I think it's gonna do. Should. Keyword. Nah. Nope. I didn't name it. Fucking. Oh, I didn't name it. Okay, I know why. Wait. I forgot to add a very significant detail. This. I forgot to mention that it's 2x. I rendered it as... Okay. Those go. I wonder what temperatures I'm hitting. Okay, we're good. Because I've been having some thermal problems with my computer because of summer. And because the thermal paste is kind of drying too. There we go. Let's see now. Is the name wrong? No, it isn't. It is. It is. It is. I'll show you what. There needs to be a dash here. That's the wrong thing, yes. There needs to be a dash between the number and the thing. I fucking swear. Yeah, there had to be a dash between the number and the word over. If it doesn't work now either, then I'm gonna have to find a different thing. What the fuck is it called in different skins? What is it called in White Cat's skin? If it calls it back, I don't know what it calls it. It's just menu back. Menu back, there's nothing. What is this? Oh, it's the bottom. I could have a bottom. I could have a bottom. Well, I have a bottom. In a way. Already. Okay. So I can't change it. Good to know. It's a bit stupid, but good to know. So there's the back button done. Took a while. This reverse slider is easy. Pause break. Pause back, rather. This is just exit. What do I make these? These these were fine to me. That's the thing. These were fine to me. I don't really want to change them. Yeah, I don't know. These were fine to me. They were always okay. I ain't changing them. I might apply shadows to them, but that's it. Like so. I don't know, I like them. I like them. I didn't have qualms for these buttons at all. It doesn't save it. Of course it doesn't save it. Yeah, I'd like to make my restart button smaller. If I already have. That says return to menu, if you're wondering. Menu e modoru. Where's the gradient line? Oh. If you're wondering, yes, I like skeuomorphism. That's why my Discord looks like this, too. I'm a fan of skeuomorphism. Welcome to my life. This'll do. I don't need an insane button for this. That was always fine, the ranking graph. What do I do for the ranking graph, though? That's true. I could make something pretty cool. Yeah, I could make something pretty cool. There you go. Wait. Where's it? There we go. Why is it only at the top? What? Blending mode, probably, yeah. Okay. Did like the health and time thingies it had. Just gonna put them back. I think I'm gonna use Corbel. Corbel looks pretty good as a font, so yeah, I'm probably gonna go with Corbel. So there's Corbel and Ender. It was a 2-font skin anyway. Ah, ranking panel. Now this thing fucking sucks. Ranking panel. This is one of the big things I wanted to change. The you know, because this is directly taken from Asterisk. This isn't mine. So I do have an idea of what I want to do. Score can stay where it is, because well, that's how it works. Or yes, I could put it under. Nah, I could put it under, boy. If I refer to one of my screenshots for score, see, this is where score is. It has this much gap, so I have to account for this gap. So I think I think it'd be easier if I did this whole thing by using this as a reference. It should. It's not. It's not really Yeah, it's not really scaling properly. Are you for real now? Should be about where it is, I think. Going off intuition. Weird. Well, it says we're back, so what can I say? Fuck off. I hate that it doesn't accept anything except clicking away from the layer. But I... Okay. Okay. There we go. Okay. Yeah, I want it to look to be under the actual number. These are gonna be I'm gonna blend them. Don't worry about it. So that'll be bold. I want it to be veering to the left, though. That's the thing. It takes too much space. To the left. That's a bit better. Now I have to, well, make a blending mode for all these. Let's go. I thought I set it to red. Red! Listening? Hello? Are you dumb? There we go. Not done yet. You'll see what I'm gonna do. Do I really want it to be that opaque? Yeah, it's a good question. Actually, no, the worst part here is the radius. That could work better, yeah. Angle. There we go. I like the way accuracy looks, but I want to invert that. Invert the angle. Like that. So yeah, I'm gonna do the same with combo. It introduces a sort of symmetry here between the colors there. Same thing I could do with score. I could make the red side be on the top of it. Like, wait. That's a shitty one. Wait a second. Sure, we'll go with it. 300s and 150s are going to be using the same style, but different colors. You know, depending on what they are. And there's going to be sort of a background, sort of. This has to be empty, though, because it's the back button. This is where the back button resides. I'm going to make this black, probably. Make this here. Ah, yeah, I'm gonna keep them the same. I like the way the thing landed. Just gonna change the colors, really, to match the ones on the skin. So 300 is a turquoise. Well, not really. Yeah, not really. Gonna make it a light purple. Yeah, I like that. I like purple. I like purple. I like purple. Do I add outer glow? Outer glow can be kind of kitsch. That's the thing. Usually don't really, yeah, especially with shadow on top. What I can do is change the shadow. Though I like the way the shadow is. That's the thing. Yeah, I could make it like so, like this. Nah, I'm not a big fan of it though. Gonna keep it as it is. It's 100K. Where's the 100? I'll go then for the 50. 50 is gonna be as in the game, purple. I already have a purple. Not a deep purple though. Okay, I'm gonna have to change the 50's angle a bit. I can't get it to match. No, I can't get it to match. I can't get it to match. I need a smoother gradient for the 50's, yeah. Okay, here's what I can do. Exactly. On top of it. There we go. To the right is always the ranking, so that's gonna stay as it is. As for everything else, now I can delete all this. I don't need it anymore. It gets rid of the shit. I can replicate that background though. My ass, that's black. There's no fucking way that's black. That's gray. It's this gray, in fact. I have to match the opacity. And make sure it's in a different layer. So that it has to be in a different layer. They blend. They fucking blend. They blend. I don't want them to blend. How do I tell Photoshop that I don't want them to blend? Do this, basically. I don't want it to be darker here. I don't want it to add. Overlay, probably.